Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I will be guiding you through the steps to set up and run your first Servlet application using Tomcat 11 and Jakarta Enterprise Edition. So, let's get started. Make sure that you already have installed Tomcat 11 on your system and also installed JDK on your system. You will find a link in video description how to install Tomcat 11 on Windows or Linux. Now I am going to create a servlet application. So I am going to create a folder and name it my servlet app. Okay. Now open this folder with any text editor. In my case, Visual Studio Code is preferred. Okay. Now ensure that your project structure look like this. Create web -inf under my servlet app folder. Also create a file index.html and then inside web inf create a folder, name it classes, and also create another folder, name it live, and also create another file, name it web.xml. Okay, your project structure must look like this. Okay, now open your favorite web browser and download Jakarta Servlet API from this URL. I am going to download the latest version Jakarta Servlet API. Download this jar file. Now add the jar file to your project. So navigate to the download folder, copy this executable jar file and then navigate to the servlet project and then web inf and live. Now paste here. Okay, now write your servlet, create Jakarta Servlet in web inf classes, navigate to the classes and create a new file, name it my servlet.java. Now write the following code into this file. Okay, and save this file and also open web.xml and write the following content here. Okay, save this file. Now compile your servlet, open terminal in Visual Studio Code into your project root directory. Okay, now compile the Java file using this command. Now compile Java file using this command java c -cp for copy space dot backslash web -inf backslash Jakarta live. Now write the Jakarta Servlet API space then -d web inf / classes space web -inf classes my servlet dot java. Okay, hit enter. That's it. This command tells the compiler to use the Jakarta Servlet API jar file found in this folder and to place the compiled .class files in classes folder. Now I am going to deploy the servlet application to Tomcat 11 web server. Let's copy your servlet application folder and go into the web apps folder of your Tomcat installation directory. Paste here. Okay. Now start the Tomcat 11 web server. Tomcat web server started. Now access your servlet. Open your favorite web browser and navigate to this URL. After port number, use / then write the servlet project name, my servlet app, and then / and write the servlet name here, my case my servlet, then hit enter. That's it. Here you will see your hello world message. If you want to see the changes, change your message. Now compile this Java file again. Okay. Now delete this project and copy the original project and then navigate to the Tomcat installation directory. Inside web apps, paste this. Okay. Now reload. Restart the Tomcat web server. Now reload. That's it. Here you will see the changes message. If you are new to this channel, subscribe this channel and like, comment, share. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.